How do you make $400 an hour as a welder? Oh, sometimes it starts with a text.
Hey Adam, I'm looking to get a alarm fixed on my truck up there. If you could take care of it for me.
Yeah, what kind of budget you got for the project?
Looking to stay under 500 bucks.
Roger's our local tow truck driver, and he's known for going above and beyond for all of his customers. And just bent it? Just the weight?
Yeah, he said normally a box truck being empty, it's not that bad. But he said the box truck was full, so there was more weight in the back than normal.
Which means he breaks stuff pretty often. It seems like a pretty simple job right now, but there's so many things that can go wrong. We can damage the vehicle, we could break his window, we could catch the thing on fire, we could run into a problem that we didn't see before and have to refabricate the entire thing. No matter what, this truck has to leave here today. This is where experience pays off more than the tools you have in your shop.
Just using a rosebud attachment on this one. So unlike a cutting head where you can really damage the steel, we're just trying to heat it up enough to get it going red. It's starting to rain a little too much, so we're gonna take this inside.
But if we can avoid all of those problems and get this done in 1 hour, this could be a super profitable job for our shop.
So we wanna make sure we heat both sides evenly for next cracking.
And things didn't start out great for us. Our first idea didn't work.
Yeah, that's it. Didn't really have enough down pressure to get us where we needed to go. Gonna try adding a bar to the bottom of this, down in here, since this thing doesn't have any down pressure. Let's try this again. I think we got most of the twist out of it, if not all of it. It actually might be slightly overcorrected. Interesting. This thing's been bent more than one time for sure.
Are you trying to say this guy's hard on his truck all the time?
The guy might be just hard all the time.
Stay hard so you don't gotta get hard.
Pop 3 Viagra's in the morning, that way my boss knows I'm the hardest worker here. See that one? There we go. Oh! Well, now it's upper than the other one. See, we had the problem before that it was lower. This is definitely gonna blow the time budget, but you gotta do it right. It spreads its legs faster than a stripper at a bachelor party. Let's see how straight these two top plates are. Yeah. No good.
Yeah, so there's more to go. And then it looks like it's twisted too.
Yep. I don't know if this is going to take an hour, but it's got to be done either way. Yeah. Nothing ever goes to plan. Why did I think this would be any different? Oh, yeah. Like Arnold. Let's top you up.
Babe, you think we're going to get it done in an hour?
There's no way you're gonna get this done in an hour.
No way. Done.
What is happening? Are you trying to cut it?
Try to unfuck it.
Make sense?
I don't know. Looks like it's going this way now. This way now.
This is where most people mess up. They come in here, they do the heating, they do the bending, they do the beating, whatever they got to do to straighten everything out, and they leave it. Looks good, but now that steel's compromised. You got to add these back in, fish plates. And we're adding it vertically instead of horizontally. It's already got 2 horizontal stiffeners. When it's this way, it's really, really rigid. Turn it this way, all of a sudden you can bend it just like that. So always want to make sure we add the right stiffeners in the right spot.
Is it gonna clear when it goes back in here?
Yes, I actually already checked it for clearance, so dropped one of these plates back here, close this thing up. This already sticks past, so does this point, so it's actually past the pivot point. So good to go on that one. Whoa. Got no gas in it.
That did not sound right.
No, definitely not. That ought to help. Now let's go ahead and clean those back out. Wonder how we're doing on time. Cutting it close. You definitely don't need a big fancy shop to do all this. Every bit of this can be done with a grinder and a set of torches and a welder. Like, you can stick it, MIG it, TIG it, whatever you got on hand, flux core. I fix farm equipment all the time with a little 110 powered welder and it works fine. But there is a caveat to having all this equipment. Like, people walk in the door, they know, hey, this is a legit shop. You guys have all the right tools to do anything we need done. So whether it's fixing this or building him a whole new bed for one of his trucks, like, we're keeping the customer informed of all the capabilities we have. You don't even really need a hammer. What makes this job worth $400 is the fact that this guy can get back on the road today, start picking up more loads, picking up down cars, whatever he's got to do, because he's got a load waiting on him. We need a fast turnaround. You know, money is an object, but being down for 2 to 3 weeks waiting on new parts is not exactly going to make anybody some money. So you take care of those people, they'll take care of you when the service truck goes down. Flat black spray paint probably feels like it's brand new again. It's better than brand new. It's reinforced and brand new. Car's sitting nice and flat, everything's straight. And to be honest, he's probably going to come back when this wears out and he wants a little more metal put on it. Because my assessment, it looks like somebody's already welded some hard facing rod on there.
I'm rough on them, so yeah.
So that'll be $400.
Hey, that works for me. Appreciate it. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, and we'll definitely call you on the next tow.
Yeah, appreciate it.
So-
Appreciate the business.
Yeah, Roger, Caliber Towing, you're in Robertson County. You got a number on there?
Yeah, 979-4187, Springfield, Ashland City, Pleasant View, all surrounding, Nashville, anywheres.
Now the real question, did we actually make $400 on this job? The truth is, it took us 1.2 hours to complete this, which actually turns into $333 an hour. We used nothing but scrap metal, some oxyacetylene fuel, and some welding wire, so we have very, very low costs in this thing. We probably got less than $20 in consumable cost here, and I did have to pay labor, so Steven's not a cheap guy. He's gonna take something out of that. At the end of the day, we're left with at least $300 here. Pretty much every single person I talked to at FabTech, I asked them, hey, what content do you guys want to see from the YouTube channel? And they all said, how do you find customers? How do you get more business? How do you find more jobs? And Roger is the perfect example here. I sell all the time to everyone that I talk to, and you need to be doing the same. So I turned a terrible day where my truck broke down into a sales opportunity. So I had Roger in the cab with me, pull my POS 60 back to the shop for me that broke down again. And while I was talking to him, I started asking him, hey, do you have any problems with your trucks? Is anything broken on them? Do you ever need any repairs? Do you need replacement parts? Do you need stuff powder coated? Do you want a sign made for your shop, for your logo, for your business? Do you want us to powder coat your trucks to make them look more branded to help you guys get more customers? All of a sudden I went from my problems to asking him about what his problems were and how I could help him fix them. And that has led to a non-stop conveyor belt of work coming into us from Roger. Yeah, they're not very big jobs, but they add up over the course of the year. And turns out Roger this year is going to spend about $5 or $6 grand with us in repairs. If you put enough Rogers together, you have a full-fledged business. It's always been my theory that it really only takes about 5 good customers to keep you busy, especially when you're first getting started. Don't get overwhelmed and think you have to go and find these big, huge accounts. You have to find the one guy that's going to fill up your shop. You don't want one guy filling up your shop because it's a super dangerous position to be in. If you have one company filling up your shop, all you need is one company to get mad at you or find somebody cheaper or faster than you to do your job, and you're out of business. So it's really wise to have at least 3 core customers, and 5 should always be the goal to start with. Really, the moral is always be selling. Even when something bad happens, when you're around town and you're talking to somebody around you, you never know what they need until you start asking them about their problems. People don't buy my products, they buy my solutions. If I can fix a problem for them, if I can make their life easier, if I can get them back on the road sooner, if I can get them manufacturing their parts or get their people working, that's what they're paying for. They're not paying for the actual work you're doing. And you saw that here with Roger. he didn't care how much it cost us. He cared how much it was costing him to have that truck off the road. So if you guys take that mentality of problem solving instead of selling, it becomes a lot easier, and you start listening to people more, and you'll have all kinds of ideas of ways that you can insert your services and your products into their life that actually help them solve a problem. So I really hope that helps you guys find more customers. You don't have to shoot for the big guys. Enough of these little guys together will end up giving you a going business that gives you return customers, and each good job that you do is going to lead you to more work, because Roger has a bunch of friends that are tow truck drivers, and guess what? When they break down, they ask him, hey, where'd you go to get that thing fixed? Who welded that back together for you? Who repaired that hitch? Who repaired that L-arm? And you know who he says? It's like a self-licking ice cream cone, folks. Once you get started, you almost cannot be stopped. Cool, dude. So we got powder coat job, sign job.
Hey, I'm in.
Yeah.
As long as we keep it rolling.
Hey, don't lose my number.
Appreciate it. Thanks,
Yeah.
sir.
Thanks, Roger.